everybody, let's start, shall we? Start off by using the Hydra veil from Illamasqua. I've been loving this makeup base recently. It's one of those kind of base that doesn't contain the Mattifying and actually feels like a hydrating gel. Next, I'm going to use the Nude Make Gel from Majorca. I think I chose the wrong applicator today. This matte brush is great for a very liquidy foundation, but this base is actually not as easy to drag with such a flat brush. It dried out before I blended it with the sponge. I should have used the sponge all the way. Anyway, I hope I can make it work. Next, I used the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Creamy Concealer from Colourpop. This concealer is much better than the no filter concealer from the brand. This one is easier to blend and won't cling on the dry patches on your face.
She's a Mona Lisa.
Set your whole face with powder. I got this Soap and Glory powder pack in Thailand long time ago. It's transparent and can mattify your face immediately. Eyebrow time using the pencil from Etude House.
Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Brush off the harsh edges using the spoolie and apply brow gel.
She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that you
Prime your eyelids before eyeshadow. Yay, this one from Canmake is my favorite, and this little tube lasts forever. Eyeshadow start with this matte orangey brand called Nana from the Mini Magic palette from Juvia's place. Apply this broadly to your entire eyelid and drag it outwards to elongate the eye shape. Also line your lower lash line. Next, take this matte orangey red called Sakia to accentuate your outer eye corner and bring it to the lower lash line too. Take this shade called Rayon and pat it to the center of your lid using your finger. It's a light metallic orange. I actually really love this Element of Surprise palette. It's so unusual, but it's discontinued. Now all Colourpop palettes are just neutral with only one or two special colors. Take this shade to the inner eye corners as well. This is currently my favorite gel liner. It's a rosy orange. Line your waterline. Take out your favorite brown liquid liner to line your eyes and create a sleek, thin wing. Next, I use my recent favorite glitter gel from Unleashia and use this brush to pat it on my eye bag. It's so beautiful. Use your favorite brown mascara to coat your lashes. Same as the liner I just used, this is from the brand Lilybyred, which is a rising Korean brand. I got mine from Gmarket. The products are so long-lasting and the packaging has the glossy vibe. For a brown mascara, the brand actually offers 4 different types of brown. It's so sweet and cute. Use this Hardy Cream blush all over my face to create that cute doll look. Use the butt of the beauty sponge to blend it out. And topped it with this powder blush from Nars to give it a subtle peachy sheen. I decided to add a little bit more. Now contour your nose bridge. Take this Sakia red orange from before and put some under your nose to create a Bambi nose. This is the first time I do this and I think it's so freaking cute. Do you remember this palette? This time I used the orangey color and apply it to the highest point of my cheekbones, nose bridge, and brow bone. Finally, for the lips, I picked this Colourpop Creme Luxe lipstick called Foolish. It's one of the best sellers when this lipstick line launched. Apply it lightly as a base.
Give you all my time. You burn my chest just like
Now top it with the Juicy Pink Tint from APO. This is a shiny gloss. Apply it on the center of your lips. Put some highlight on your cupid's bow to finish off the look. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you for your support and see you next time. Bye!